What's up YouTube, this is Alex, and today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can get right the YouTube ads on your Google Chrome browser, and it's completely free and pretty easy to follow. Okay, to get right your YouTube ads, you have to add one extension which I'm going to provide in my video description. You simply have to click that link and it will take you to the Google Chrome web store, which I'm going to show you guys step by step right here. So you guys can see when I go to my YouTube page, you guys can see the ads are running on the video. So that's the main goal, we can get right these ads. So like I said, I will give you guys the first link, which is the extension link. Click that link and I will show you guys what next. So just click that link, come to this page, you're gonna get to this page. You guys can see it's a direct link, you don't have to do any other steps. Just go to the link, click here, come to this page. You simply have to click add to the Chrome. That's pretty much you do, and after that just exit out the browser or refresh the YouTube page, or pretty much that you have to do. So let me refresh my page. You guys can see the ads are gone. So pretty much guys, if it's not worked for you somehow, let me know in the comment section below. Also, quick reminder, somehow Google Chrome found this out, it will get right those extensions. So let me know in the comment section. If you can find it, I will update the new extension in my video description. Okay, I'll catch you guys pretty soon and stay healthy. Peace.